bored. What's there to do around here?
I don't know. I'm not really familiar with the area. But I got a new app that I think can help us out. It's called Hidden Gems. It helps you find local places to eat and things to do that's nearby. I think it says that there's a Echo Point nearby. Want to check it out?
Sure. That was fun, but I'm hungry now.
Don't worry. The app can help us find local good places to eat. It says there's one right down the street. Let's go.
Biggest competitors were Yelp and TripAdvisor. Yelp is geared more towards appealing for restaurants, bars, and just anywhere you can eat or drink, while TripAdvisor was geared towards tourists who want to plan a trip and locate nearby hotels, attractions, and restaurants. Our app wanted to appeal to travelers who want to explore what's near them and spontaneously find out what's in the surroundings. So a few differences that we decided to make in our app is to allow users to have fast access to nearby gems by having a map with nearby hidden gems as a default screen. Both Yelp and TripAdvisor focus on a text-heavy categorized list, which can be overwhelming to find something, while we use the map with icons so users can easily find what's near them. Another difference is that we only show gems within a certain distance to the user's current location, in order to add a sense of exploration and adventure, whereas both TripAdvisor and Yelp allow the user to access any restaurant or business in any location.
Our very first idea involved only having restaurants on the app and showing the user very little information, such as not even showing them reviews. The idea is that it will encourage a sense of discovery in the users to explore the area for themselves. After reviewing our original idea, we evolved it in quite a few ways. For example, we broadened our scope to include different types of locations rather than just restaurants. We wanted to keep the sense of discovery, but we decided to add some essential features such as price range, which was we got from user experiences being very important. And we also overall wanted to be very simple, clean, and fast compared to a lot of our competitors. User testing really helped us hone that fine line between showing too much and showing too little. We wanted the users to try to discover and experiment things for themselves and to have be streamlined, but we didn't want to frustrate them with too little information. It also helped us decide the flow of screens. Our app was once much more pop-up based before different user testings. We had two very different lo-fi prototypes. One was a very pop-up on the map based one, and the other was a very going through screens one. We found that the pop-up on the map is intuitive for finding the gems, but going through the screens is more intuitive for all the other operations like viewing information and navigating. So for a mid-fi we combined the two, where the first screen was a map, but then the rest was more of the going through the screens prototype. In transition from the mid-fi to the full prototype, we tried to keep the screens relatively the same, but there were a few significant changes. Perhaps the biggest one was implementing the Google Maps API on the main screen, something we hoped that the users would be familiar with. Similarly, when we add a new gem, we use the Google Place Picture, so they could use the Google Maps API and also see what's nearby. For the add a new gem screen, we added a lot more functionality, so people could fully make a gem such as price and gem name. We also changed how the reviews on the gem info screen worked a bit. Before we displayed the user's username with it too, but now we just display the message because we wanted it to be a more lightweight app where you could just quickly leave a review without having to sign up or add any extra fields. So this is our app, Hidden Gems. The three tasks we're going to do is find a gem, leave a review for a gem, and add a new gem. So already when it boots up you can see the gems around you. There are different types, but pressing key lets you know what each type stands for. Let's say I'm interested in this gem because I want entertainment. Looks like a dance club. I can see information about it. I can see some pictures of the inside, the rating, and some reviews. If I hit navigate, I'll navigate here, but I'm going to skip that for now. For the reviews, I can leave a review, and if I don't want to type a text review, I'll just hit submit. It'll change the review scale, but won't leave a text review. For adding a new gem, I would click add gem down here. I can add any pictures I want. The standard is 2. I can add the name of the gem and fill out the rest of the information as well. Okay, so after I filled out all that different information, I'll hit submit gem. The place picker will come up. I select a place, and once I confirm, the gem will show up at that place.